Hey everyone! If you're like me, you've probably received an Amazon gift card at some point and wondered, what exactly can I do with this? Well, let me break it down for you in just about 2.5 minutes. First up, shopping. I know, shocker, right? But hear me out. With an Amazon gift card, you're not just limited to gadgets or books. You can buy everything from groceries to garden tools. And not to forget, they've got some pretty wild and quirky items too. Ever thought about owning a life-sized Yoda or maybe an inflatable unicorn? Yep, you can get those with your gift card. But it's not just about what you can buy, it's also about how you can buy. Amazon has features like Buy Now with one click and Alexa-enabled shopping. That means you can literally tell your Echo to reorder your favorite snacks, all without touching your wallet or phone. Now, what if shopping isn't your thing? Well, did you know you can also use your Amazon gift card for digital services? Think about subscribing to Amazon Prime. Not only do you get free shipping, but you also gain access to Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Music, and exclusive deals. And for my fellow bookworms out there, your gift card can be your best friend. Kindle ebooks, audiobooks from Audible, or even magazine subscriptions. All of these can be accessed with just a swipe of your gift card. Whether it's the latest bestseller or a professional journal, you've got it covered. But wait, there's more. You can even use your Amazon gift card to pay for third-party services like booking a handyman through Amazon Home Services or getting a car rental. Yes, you heard that right, all through Amazon with that little gift card. And for those who like giving as much as receiving, an Amazon gift card is a perfect way to treat someone. It's simple, it's easy, and let's be honest, who doesn't love a shopping spree on Amazon? So next time you get one, remember, it's not just a piece of plastic, it's a passport to pretty much anything you can think of. And who knows what you'll decide to pick up next with it? Maybe something you never even thought you needed. Alright, that's a wrap on how to maximize your Amazon gift card. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy shopping!